Unboxing the HP Rechargeable USI Active Pen. Remove the pen and Type USB-C cable from the package. Slide the cover up to access the charging port. Insert one end of the supplied USB Type-C charging cable into the port. Then insert the other end of the cable into the USB port on your laptop. The status light is located at the top of the pen. The light will be solid red while charging, blinking red when the battery is low, and solid white when fully charged. Once fully charged, remove the USB Type-C cable from the pen and slide the cover back into place. The active pen also comes with replacement tips. To replace the tip, use the included tip removal tool and pull straight out to remove the used tip. Insert the replacement tip into the pen until it stops. The HP Rechargeable USI Active Pen is now ready to use with your PC.